Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to an incredible journey where we explore the wonders of our extraordinary planet. In this captivating video, we delve into the inspiring world of Earth and uncover astonishing facts that will leave you in astonishment. From the depths of the oceans to the highest peaks, prepare to embark on an adventure like no other. Number 1. Lakes can explode. A sudden outgassing of CO2 had occurred at Lake Manawan in 1984. However, on August 21, 1986, a limnic eruption occurred at Lake Nyos, triggering the sudden release of about 100,000 to 300,000 tons of CO2. This gas cloud rose at nearly 100 kilometers per hour and spilled over the northern lip of the lake into a valley running roughly east-west from Cha to Subam. It then rushed down two valleys branching off to the north, displacing all of the air and suffocating 1,746 people within 25 kilometers of the lake, mostly rural villagers, as well as 3,500 livestock. Although Nyos is situated within an extinct volcano, magma still exists beneath it. Approximately 80 kilometers directly below the lake resides a pool of magma, which releases carbon dioxide and other gases. Number 2. Earth used to be purple. The purple Earth hypothesis is an astrobiological hypothesis first proposed by Indian-American molecular biologist Shiliditi Das Sarma in 2007, that the earliest photosynthetic life forms of early Earth were based on the simpler molecule retinal rather than the more complex porphyrin-based chlorophyll, making the surface biosphere appear purplish rather than greenish like nowadays. The time would date somewhere between 2.4 and 3.5 billion years ago, prior to the Great Oxygenation Event and Huronian glaciation. Number 3. 60 tons of cosmic dust fall to Earth daily. Cosmic dust, also called extraterrestrial dust. Most of the influx of extraterrestrial matter that falls onto the Earth is dominated by meteoroids with diameters in the range 50 to 500 micrometers, of average density 2.0 gram per cm cube. Number 4. The oceans hold about $771 trillion worth of gold. The world's oceans contain gold. Measured concentrations of gold in the Atlantic and Northeast Pacific are 50 to 150 femtomole or 10 to 30 parts per quadrillion. In general, gold concentrations for South Atlantic and Central Pacific samples are the same but less certain. Mediterranean deep waters contain slightly higher concentrations of gold attributed to wind-blown dust or rivers. At 10 parts per quadrillion, the Earth's oceans would hold 15.0 tons of gold. These figures are 3 orders of magnitude less than reported in the literature prior to 1988, indicating contamination problems with the earlier data. The oceans contain around 20 million tons, which is worth $771 trillion. Last is that the Earth once had 2 moons, or it might still have 2 moons. That's the theory, at least, put forward by a computer model that attempted to figure why the side of the moon that faces Earth is relatively low and flat, and the one that faces away has a much thicker crust. The model suggests that there was once a companion moon that collided with the far side of our current moon. That's right, some scientists believe we still have a second moon. That's not to say another giant white planet in the sky, more like a small asteroid that has been pulled into the Earth's orbit. This was found by a team of scientists running simulations on a supercomputer that determined that at least one mini-asteroid circling the planet at any given time. That's all for today. See you in another video.